Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Let's get started, and I start with this beautiful wooden truck, and that's from Dollar Tree. You all might have seen this, and I'm going to stain this using this antique wax, and I'm going to mix a little bit of water and going to apply that on all over the wooden truck. Now I have covered the antique and water mixture all around the truck, and I'm going to let it dry, and now it's dried. So I'm going to take this bunch of poppies, which is like orangish yellow, which is more like a fall color to me. So I just picked like a couple of flowers from there, and I'm just sticking in the back of the truck just like so. I stuck all of these poppy flowers using a dab of a hot glue, and I also stuck that fall stuff to just add the glamour. And I also got this beautiful green gingham ribbon, and I'm creating a bow with this. Now I'm contemplating where should I place the ribbon bow, and I finally found the right spot, and I stuck it on the top of the truck just like that. This cute wooden truck I found in Dollar Tree. I was so happy to have this because this can be used for all the seasons, and for this season I'm going to decorate with poppies like this. They're like yellowish orange, and I stuck some of the fall decor pieces, and I had like green gingham ribbon, and I basically started with painting this wooden truck with the mixture of water and antique wax. I like that combination for some reason, and it just stains the wood lightly, and it still shows the beautiful wood grain on it. So I go with that, and then just stuck a lot of poppy flowers in there and some fall decor pieces, and stuck with one of the gingham ribbon, green color, and that's all it needs. This again can be used for fall decor as well as poppy flowers decor. I just love this decor, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. This video would be part of What Month Is It playlist, and this is hosted by Tammie or Happiness Created, and co-hosted by another Tammie from The Rested Willow, and Michelle from Moxie DIY and Java, and special guest host would be Jackie or Crafting in Mimi's World. I will leave the links of all these creative ladies channels in my description box as well as the playlist. On to DIY number 2. And the next DIY is a pumpkin decor, and I'm going to decorate this pumpkin with this beautiful bright pink poppy flowers. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this beautiful pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to pull off these fall decor pieces from the top, and I'm planning to stick poppy flowers in that place. And I'm going to measure how much length I wanted to poke the poppy flower into this pumpkin, and I measured it, and I got 3 of them, and I'm attaching a dab of a hot glue, and I'm poking this. I think that these pumpkins are made out of styrofoam, so it's easy to just push those flowers in with a little bit of hot glue. I'm just loving the combination of this beautiful yellow color and the pink together. They're looking beautiful already. I'm just loving it. It looks pretty good to me at this point, but I wanted to add some more decor to it. So I got this beautiful orange gingham ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm creating a bow just like that, and I'm planning to stick it on top of the pumpkin. Cute. What do you think? So this is another decor using beautiful color poppy. I think it's like dark pink. And all I had to do is remove that top part of the pumpkin and arrange with this beautiful poppies. And it's a poppy decor as well as a fall decor, so it can be interchangeably used. And I also had some gingham orange ribbon. I created a bow. Yeah, this is another poppy decor that I wanted to share with y'all. Let me know your thoughts on this. DIY number 3. Okay, this is the third one, and it's going to be really simple. I'm going to use one of these glass flower vase which I got during Valentine's time from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this clear glue and 2 of my gladioli stems, and I picked yellow and red because that yellow and red looks together so beautiful. So I'm going to arrange these 2 flowers. So I'm going to start by filling the glass gems in this glass vase in the bottom, and I'm going to pour this clear glue on top of this glass gems, and I'm going to stick these stems on top of it. So it's basically going to hold this gum, and these glass gems are going to give the strength for these stems to hold on to. And then I decided I should put some more decoration to the vase. So I got this beautiful red burlap ribbon, and I'm going to measure how thick is the jar, and then I'm going to attach it around the vase just like that. And that's it. Sorry, it just went a little out of the frame, and I'm going to show it more clearly now. This is the final reveal of my gladioli decor. I just got like 2 stems of red and yellow gladiolis, and this is one of the Dollar Tree glass vase with red burlap ribbon as a decor. That's all it needs. I just love this, so let me know your thoughts on this. And these are few of the August flower of the month poppy, as well as the gladioli decor, as well as the fall decor. So let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.